My name is Daniel Boateng. Today we are going to look at Highlife guitar formulas part 2. In our previous lesson, we did the triads major, minor, augmented, and diminished. If you missed that lesson, click on the link at the description then to find the first video, the part 1. So today we are going to look at the 7th. We are going to look at 7th, major 7th, minor 7th, augmented 7th, and then diminished 7th. So let's begin. What's the formula for finding major 7th? Yesterday we used, in a previous lesson rather, we used the C major scale. So today we are going to use the C major scale to find these formulas. So we are going to use C, D, E, F, G, A, B, and then we will use the numerical representations. C will be 1, D will be 2, E 3, F 4, G 5, A 6, B 7. So we are going to use numerical representation instead of A, B, C, or C, D, E, F, G, A, B. All right. Okay. So major 7th. Major 7th. The formula is 1, 3, 5, 7. 1, 3, 5, 7. Good. Example, we have C, E, G, B. C, E, G, and then B. You have it. So let's quickly pick up our guitar. Pick up your guitar, and then let's find out. We are using C major scale. So if you are asked to find C major 7th, C major 7th, play C major 7th. C is here. So we have the C is here. Our 3 is here. Our 5 is here. And then our 7 is here. Alright. Good. So we have something like this. This is C major 7th. C major 7th. Bring the camera very close. Alright, so this is C, E, the G is here, the third string is G, and then the second string is B. So we have our C 7th like this. C 7th. Sorry, I am saying C 7th. It's not C 7th, it is C major 7th. C major 7th. In other words, let's come to the middle here so that we can find our C 7th. You have 1, 3 is here. Okay. 7 is here. 5 is here. So you have seen. So we have 1, 3 is here. 5 is here, and then 7 is here. So this is C major 7th. C major 7th. Good. The second formula we are looking at is minor 7th. Minor 7th. The formula is 1, flat 3, 5, flat 7. Again, 1, flat 3, 5, flat 7. Example, you have C, E flat, G, and then B flat to be our C minor 7th. Let's go to the guitar. Pick up your guitar and let's see. C minor 7th is 1, flat 3 is here, 5 is here, and then flat 7 is here. Okay, so you are going to bar this side with your first finger like this to pick the root. This is your C, pick it here. This first finger is picking the 1 and then the flat 7. It's taking the 1 and then the flat 7. Okay, so it's like this. Then your second finger takes the flat 3. All right, then your third finger takes the 5. So we have C minor 7th, C minor 7th. Good. That is 1, flat 3, 5, flat 7 to get C minor 7. Now let's look at the next chord formula. But before we look at the next formula, if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly hit on the subscribe button, then check the notification. Leave a comment at the comment section, share the videos, and then give a thumbs up. The next formula we are going to look at is dominant 7th. Dominant 7th. The formula is 1, 3, 5, flat 7. 1, 3, 5, flat 7. Example: C, E, G, and then B flat. C, E, G, B flat. That's what we have been calling it. C7, C7, C7. So we can have C7, D7, E7, and whatever. Okay, let's go to the guitar board and then find the formula. Looking at the formula, we have 1, 3, 5, flat 7. This is the flat 7. And then we can get our 1 also here. So to play C7, we have like something like this. My second finger is on the 1. My third finger is on the 1. Second finger is on the 3. The 5 is open. The 5 is open. And then my first finger is on the 1 here. Then you can put your fourth finger on the third fret of the G string. We have C7th, C7th, C dominant 7th. Or let's look at another option. 1 here, 3 is here, 5 is here, and then flat 7 is here. So like what we did to the minor 7th, the dominant, your first finger is holding the 1, flat 7, then your fourth finger is on the 3 here, then your third finger is on the 5. So it's like this: C dominant 7th, C dominant 7th. So it's either you play it like this or you play it like this. Good. Our next formula is augmented 7th. Augmented 7th. Before then, if you have not subscribed to my channel and this is your first time, join me, hit on the subscribe button. Mpanimfoɔ sɛ pokora nso ye den etogum so ade ase kakra ene botwa me ka me krom kasa enti me nua sa won subscribe we me channel no so a hwe button kokko na wo ayina se na ya twere no ye de kokwa twere se subscribe no mi aso ho na adoma no wa mi adoma no so umi adoma no so a ubenya notification na ebeba ni nyina video bi a me bia me upload no on sabeka enti let's continue. Augmented 7. The formula is 1 3 sharp 5 flat 7. Augmented 7. 1 3 sharp 5 flat 7. So 1 is here when we are playing C. 1 is here. The 3 is here. Flat 7 is here. And then sharp 5 is here. So like this, we can hold it like this. We can hold it like this. This is C augmented 7th. Augmented 7th. C augmented 7th. And easy. We are very fine, right? Initially, you find some difficulties in playing some of these chords, but try your hands and then place your fingers on the various positions. So yeah, let me help you. 1 3 sharp 5 is here, and then flat 7. This is flat 7. So we have something like this. Good. C augmented 7th. Let's quickly look at our last example as diminished 7th. The formula is 1 flat 3 flat 5 flat 7. We're mathematics, so let me take it again. 1 flat 3 flat 5 and then flat 7. The example is C, E flat, F sharp, then A. C, E flat, F sharp, A. A is the flat 7. Let's look at flat 7. We said this is 7, then flat 7 is here. So when you are asked to flat 7, it means you have to go back another step to get your A. Simple. It is mathematics. Let's quickly look at pick up our guitar and then find it. So looking at the formula, we have 1 flat 3 is here. Then sharp is what? Flat 5 is here. And then flat 7. Flat 7 is here. So let me look at it. It's like this. This is C diminished 7th. C diminished 7th. Good. C diminished 7th. My second finger is on the C. My first finger is on the A, is on A here. My third finger is on F sharp. Then my fourth finger is on E flat. So we get C diminished 7th. C diminished. All right. We have done so far major 7th, minor 7th, augmented 7th, and then diminished 7th. I would like you to practice them very seriously. And if this is your first time of visiting my channel, kindly hit on the subscribe button and then click on the notification in order to be updated anytime we upload a video. So on this note, we will come your way with Highlife Guitar Gospel Praises Part 2. Thank you.